In today's video, I'm going to share with you a masterclass in product launches with Shopify. This product launch right here that I'm about to show you is easily going to clear $1 million, and it's going to serve as a great example for what you can do for your business and how you can acquire customers for free, literally for $0, no spending money on ads, no wasting money on Facebook or TikTok ads, just literally getting customers for free. So let's hop right into it. Let's not waste any time. We're going to learn a lot. So make sure you subscribe and like this video real quick for the algorithm, and let's proceed. What I'm talking about today is this product called the Wonder Brush. Now, this is actually a really interesting story. And first things first, the reason why this is so interesting is because this has actually not been a get rich quick scheme, overnight success type of thing. This woman here has been talking about this product and developing this product since 2020. So she first showed this back in 2020. She invented this toothbrush. As you see, this product is just a really simple way for you to actually carry your toothbrush with toothpaste and travel with it. This was back in 2022. So she's been posting about this product for a while, but guess what? Recently, she experienced a massive surge of viral traffic. Look at this video right here. This simple video got 20 million views. Oops, I think I just created the cutest travel toothbrush for Invisalign travel weekend away nights out. It's 12 seconds long. That's literally the whole entire video right there, just showcasing the product. She has some pretty nails on, and that's honestly it. It's just a satisfying looking product. So that's the first lesson here that you can learn is use this hook. Literally, you can copy this exact hook probably for any product. So if there's any product out there that's satisfying, copy this exact hook. Oops, I think I just created the whatever, right? Whatever problem you're solving. So that's a great, incredible hook right there. Just real quick, I want to say that this was actually found, this video right here in this brand was actually found in the Chemilab Research Center here, which you can join for an affordable price. It's in the description. It's incredible. We post data and research like this daily. We spend thousands of dollars every year collecting this data. So literally, we're not even making any money off of this right now. It's honestly just losing money. But it's so valuable for me personally and for the community members that I'm going to continue to run it. And I personally love it. I use it every day. It's an incredible community. But that's the first lesson here. Copy this hook, literally just shamelessly copy it. I'm not saying copy this product because this person, I think, invented this. And of course, it may be hard to actually compete with her since she's collecting a bunch of subscribers. So that's the second lesson here. Collect subscribers. If you are going to be launching a product, it's a good idea to collect subscribers to your email list so you can blast them once you actually launch. That's what she's doing. She's currently not taking any pre-orders, so you can just be notified when this launches. This is very clever. And funny enough, she's using the Beautify theme, which is interesting. That's a really good theme out there, and I believe that they have a free version, but you can enter using password. This is just what, on Shopify, when you have your store closed and your checkout closed, this is what it will look like if you have a password on your store. But so interesting. She's at 300,000 followers now from this one product. And interestingly enough, she's running it under her own personal brand. The thing is called Wonder Brush, but it's her profile pic here, which is also a pretty interesting tactic. It's almost like personifying the brand. And I think people are more keen to support something like that because people like to shop from people. So when people see an actual person running the brand, it's very powerful. And that's really why organic content works so well, is because people can actually feel that there's a person behind it, and that adds trust. Believe it or not, even if it's a silly product, it adds a lot of trust. Let's see another one of these viral videos. So this one's 2.7 million. Would you have known this is a travel toothbrush? So that's another great hook. It's 5 seconds long, this video right here. And it's just a great hook. Would you have known this is whatever? It's a question, right? So of course you got to be a little bit creative here and utilize this for your brand. But this is a really great strategy, especially for those of you that don't have a lot of money to invest. Find your product that you want to sell on Amazon. And honestly, you can even compete with the pricing on Amazon if you don't have to spend money on ads, if you think about it, right? Because if on Amazon something is $20 and you find it on CJ Dropshipping, let's say for $10, usually people would price that at like $30 or $40 if you're dropshipping with meta ads. But if you're using organic content, price match Amazon. Put it at 20 bucks. I mean, yeah, your margin will only be $10, but if you don't have to spend money on ads, then that's actually a really good competitive advantage. And that's something you can do if you're not spending money on ads. Now, don't get me wrong here. I'm spending money on ads. Some of our clients this month are probably going to reach $1 million a month, and at my agency at Chemi. So that's kind of my main focus right now. It's just working with some incredible partners and building our brands. And yes, I do use meta ads a lot. We spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on meta ads, but I'm also keeping in mind this organic surge and just how powerful it is to actually scale up your organic efforts. So your actual community building efforts, that's really how I view it. And both combined, this was always the vision for Chemi from the very beginning when I launched it last year, was to be the intersection between paid media and organic media. And the vision is actually coming to life, which is so incredible. I can't wait to see where we're at next year. And I can't wait to see where you guys are at next year too. If you continue to follow the channel, continue to take some of these tips in that I'm giving you, some of this advice, I guess, or, just getting inspired from me sharing my journey. I'm not where I want to be yet. You're probably not where you want to be yet, but that's just a part of the journey, right? The person who enjoys the journey is going to walk further than the person who just loves the destination. So follow the journey, subscribe to the channel, enjoy the journey, and that's it. See you in the next video. Peace.